Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to another Adobe InDesign CC 2020 tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to demonstrate how to create and manage text flow. This technique is very useful when you have a large amount of text that cannot fit in one text frame in one page. So we're going to start by adding 2 pages. So you see now we have 2 pages and we are going to add text frames. Or first we are going to place the text that we are going to import from Microsoft Word. We usually type there. Usually if you have a large amount of text, you edit them and type them in a specialized text editing software like Microsoft Word. So I'm going to go to place, or you can use the shortcut. We are going to select this run text, and you see now you are ready to put the text frame. So you can just drag and put it like that, and you see this plus sign here. It indicates that the text cannot fit in one text frame and you need another text frame. This is the first method. The other one is you just click it and it's gonna create a text box or text frame automatically without you adding it. And also you can just create a text placeholder like this text here. For example, if you want to create 2 columns, and we will learn inshallah in this lesson how to create 2 columns inside the text frame, not 2 text frames. And of course this text, as you can see, you can duplicate it to be here. Okay, so we are going to extend. So I will click Ctrl D, and then we're gonna go to random text, and since this text is selected, we are not gonna have this icon of the text information. So now to link this text to this text box, you need to click this little red plus sign. You see, you click it, and then you are gonna have this text, and you notice that there is a link option here. You can link to this text or to this text, to any text you want, and when you click, the text will flow directly from one text frame to another text frame. And basically to make sure that the text is flowing from one text to another, you can just double click inside and press Ctrl A, which select all the text. As you can see now, all the text is selected in 2 text frames, not in one text frame only. So now we can go and increase the size, and you see now we have extra text that cannot fit on these 2 text frames. So I'm gonna click and I'm gonna link this again, and if you don't want to link this, you can just drag and draw another text box. Okay, but I'm gonna just stick it here, and we are going to select this. You see, we go to the paragraph. Where is the paragraph styles? It should be available anyway here. We need to double click to access the paragraph. You see, I will select, and then we go here and align it, and we can add line spacing before or after, and you can change the indentation and so on. Okay, so this is basically how you create a text flow. If you want to unlink a text, you just click this again, and you see now the icon is broken. So when you click this text, you're gonna unlink it again. You can unlink the text, and I can now Ctrl X and put my text in this text box. Okay, and you see here we can add from here, or you can click to add from here. So the text flow can be in either directions. You either add text after your text box or text frame, or before. And you see here it's gonna start from here. It's gonna make or consider this text frame as the end, and the other one is at the beginning, and so on. Okay, you still have information to be added. You can again add it from here, and you see we are having the same result. Or now you can go skip. You can click this plus sign and you insert a text frame like that. If you click only without drawing, it's gonna add it to the page width, and it's gonna give a default height for it. Okay, so you can later on change it and manipulate it. So this is everything related to the text flow in general. In the next video we are going to demonstrate how to use the text frame object options to add columns and create column rules. Thank you very much for listening. See you in next videos, inshallah.